Welcome to the Complete Tally Prime learning series powered by Tally Prime. Tally Prime is accounting software that helps businesses maintain their accounts easily, quickly, and accurately. It helps in maintaining accounts, recording vouchers, managing GST, payroll processing, inventory manage. Company creation in Tally Prime. In Tally Prime, company creation is the first step before recording any transactions. A company must be created to store and manage all accounting data of a business. Steps to create company account. Step 1. Open Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime software on your computer. Step 2. Select Create Company. From the home screen, click on Create Company. Step 3. Enter company details. 1. Company name, name of business. 2. Mailing name, business address. 3. Country, select country. 4. PIN code, enter postal code. Create ledgers. What is a ledger? Ledger is a head under which transactions are recorded. Steps to create ledger. Gateway of Tally -- create -- ledger. Important ledger group: capital account, sundry debtors, sundry creditors, cash in hand, bank account, purchase account, direct expenses, indirect expenses. Create stock items. Gateway of Tally create stock item. Enter name of items, units of measure, GST rate, opening quantity. Voucher entry. Gateway of Tally vouchers. Payment voucher F5 used for cash, bank payment. Example: rent AC doctor to cash AC. Use for cash received. Example: cash AC doctor to sales AC. Cash to bank, bank to cash contra voucher F4. Use for goods purchase. Purchase voucher F9. Use for goods sale. Sales voucher F8. GST entry in Tally Prime for purchase entry. Purchase AC doctor input C, GST input S, GST to party AC. GST entry in Tally Prime for sales entry. Purchase AC doctor output C, GST output S, GST to sales AC. View reports. Gateway of Tally -- display more reports. Important reports: trial balance, profit or loss account, balance sheet, stock summary. ALTERDELETE entries. Go to day book, select entry, alter. To alter voucher, open entry, press Alt+D to delete. Backup and restore. Backup gateway of Tally F3 backup, restore gateway of Tally F3 restore. Shortcut keys. Keys F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9 Alt+D Control+. If functions: contra, payment, receipt, journal, sales, purchase, delete, export. Thank you for watching. Like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.